Hello students, in this video I am going to solve question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 2.4. Alright, it is on page number 34. This is the page of your textbook, page number 34. Now, what is the question? Fourth question is the cost of 4 and 1/4 kg of sugar is rupees 68. Find the cost of 1 kg of sugar. Okay, as I explained you, if the information of many is given and required for one, so you have to perform division. Fourth question, find the cost of 1 kg sugar. So we have to write cost of 4 and 1/4 kg is rupees 68. Then cost of 1 kg is rupees 68 divided by 4 and 1/4. Simply, what you have to do, convert this mixed fraction into improper. You can convert here also, no problem. So it is rupees 68 upon 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17, 17 upon 4. Okay, now it is rupees 68. As you can see, it is division, so we will convert it into multiplication and will write the reciprocal of 17 upon 4. It is 4 upon 17, correct? Now divide 68 by 17, it is 4 times. Okay, and we have rupees 16. Okay students, it means if the cost of 1 kg sugar is rupees 16, then the cost of 4 and 1/4 kg sugar is rupees 68. Okay, pause the video and note it down. Next question is fifth question. It is the product of a fraction and the sum of 2 3/4 and 3.5 is 5. Find the fraction. This language is confusing. Okay, it is confusing for you, so let me explain. The product of, product means आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. किसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है? दिस इज अ रफ वर्क. ओके, मैं आपको रफली समझा रहा हूं. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन, यहां पे कोई फ्रैक्शन होगा, मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए अपॉन बी, एंड द सम ऑफ 2 and 3/4 and 3.5, दैट इज 5. तो अगर ये कॉन्सेप्ट आप अच्छे से समझते हो तो आपके लिए इक्वेशन बनाना बहुत ईजी होता है. ओके, नाउ वी यूज द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. Find the fraction. So for the solution of fifth question, let the fraction is x. Simply, क्योंकि फ्रैक्शन की कोई वैल्यू होती है उसको हम x अज्यूम करते हैं. फ्रैक्शन इज x. Then you have to write according to question the product of fraction and the sum of 2 and 3/4 and 3.5 is 5. Find the fraction. So we have to simplify this. Let's do it. 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Okay, now take the LCM, that is 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 11 1 ja 11. 2 2 ja 4 and 7 2 ja 14, that is 5. Here I solve the remaining part. It is x. Now what is 11 plus 14? 25. 25 upon 4 equals 5. X into 25 upon 4 equals 5. Now x equals 5 into, we perform this cross multiplication and 25 will become the denominator on other side. You can see 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. So x is 4 upon 5. And this is the answer of question number 5. So let's check the answer. 2.4, question number 5. The answer is 4 upon 5. Okay students, the answer is correct. Pause the video and note it down. And I hope you are getting. Now it is the time to solve sixth question. Okay. Sixth question is, find a number such that its 2/5 is 12. Very interesting and very easy. Find a number such that, so let the number is x such that its 2/5. 2/5 means 2/5 of x is means equal 12. Listen again. Find a number. So this is the number such that 2/5 of this is 12. As you know that of is converted into multiplication and x is 12. And listen, it is 2x. 2x equals, we will use cross multiplication, 5 into 12. X equals 5 into 12 upon 2. Okay, 12 and 2 can be cancelled with 2 and it is 5 into 6. Finally x is 30. Okay, so this is answer. X is 30. Question number 6. Students, note it down. Next is question number 7 and the last question of this video. Okay, now seventh question is, the product of two numbers is 16 upon 9. Product means multiply. If one of the number is 5.2, find the other number. So what you have to do, product, you have to consider two numbers whose product is 16 upon 9 and you know one of these and you have to find the other number. देखिए हमें क्या करना है, with the help of example. Okay, suppose there are two numbers x into y and the product of both these is 16 upon 9 and one of the numbers is 5.2 means इन दोनों नंबर्स में से एक नंबर क्या है, 5/2 है. सो कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. लेट y इज 5/2. ओके, एंड इट इज 16 upon 9. Then find the other number. So we have to find the value of x. Okay, the last step, this step is very important. If you write the relation in a proper way, you can find the value easily. So we have to find the value of x. Then 5/2 will be the denominator on this side. Means 16 upon 9 को 5/2 से divide करना है. Then we will use the property of reciprocal. What is that? Convert a division operator into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the denominator and perform the calculations. So numerator और denominator को हम cancel कर सकते हैं. Remember, numerator से numerator कभी भी cancel नहीं होता. सिमिलरली डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी कैंसिल नहीं होता. ओके, इट मीन्स न्यूमरेटर के साथ न्यूमरेटर्स मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर के साथ डिनोमिनेटर्स मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ओके, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स, लेट find the other number. Let the other number is x and you have to write according to question. One of the number is 5.2, so one of the number is 5.2, other number is x, and the product is 16 upon 9. Okay students, the product is 16 upon 9. Now we have to find the value of x. So x will be 16 upon 9 divided by 5.2. ओके, ये जो 5.2 है इससे हम इस नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे. देन यू विल राइट 16 upon 9 as it is. Convert this division operator into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 5.2. So what is the reciprocal? It is 2 upon 5. इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? 2 upon 5 होगा. Then try to cancel out the numbers. These cannot be divided by 5 and these not also. Okay, so the number is 16 2 ja 32 and 9 5 ja 45, and this is the answer of 7th question. The answer is 32 upon 45. Okay students, pause the video and note it down. Finally, I am going to tell you some properties of multiply and division of fractions. Listen carefully and focus at the board. Suppose आपको ये कोई कैलकुलेशन करनी है. ओके, 7 upon 16. Now I felt many times and I have seen many times that the students do very basic mistakes. बहुत छोटी छोटी गलतियां करते हैं. What are these? वो कभी कभी 2 और 7 को कैंसिल करने की ट्राई करते हैं, और यहाँ पर अगर 4 है तो 4 जा 16. They do these kind of things. This is wrong. Okay, so how we will calculate? Suppose it is 2 upon 4 into 20 upon 6. Now if you can cancel out a fraction, just do it. Otherwise try to cancel out numerator and denominator. आप इस न्यूमरेटर को इस डिनोमिनेटर से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, या इस न्यूमरेटर को इस डिनोमिनेटर से भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि ये न्यूमरेटर राइट साइड में है और ये न्यूमरेटर इधर लेफ्ट साइड में, बिकॉज वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग. ओके, इफ देर इज इक्वल साइन देर इज अ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, बट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. तो आप इस 2 को इस 2 से 4 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन divide this 6 by 2 also. 2 3 is 6. Okay, so you can divide a numerator by denominator or a denominator by a numerator, but numerators are multiplied together, means 20 and 2 will be multiplied together. Denominators also multiplied together. 6 4 ja 24. Then you can cancel out this. Okay, so again it is 4 6 ja 24 and 4 10 ja 40 and 2 3 ja 6 2 5 ja 10. So finally we have divided these numbers by 8. 8 3 ja 24, 8 5 ja 40. You can do in this way. Okay students, so be careful for the mathematical operations which are related to fractions. Fractions के साथ में अगर हम एडिशन कर रहे हैं, subtraction, multiply, division, whatever, you should be very careful. Okay, have a nice day.